Hey guys, it's Icon. Welcome back, witches. Today's video is going to be a half braided, half curly tribal hairstyle inspired natural hair. Fuck it up tutorial, ladies. Thumbs up if you like. If you don't, you can leave. Follow this step-by-step natural tribal inspired hairstyle for natural and healthy hair care. Black rice water was used in this video for fast hair growth. Yes, there's a link in the description below of this video. Water, hair conditioner, and gel also. Let's get away. Hi guys, it's Icon. Welcome back. Today's video is going to be a natural hairstyle video on how I achieve this beautiful look I have right here. And I have half of my hair in these tight curls without any heat, just natural water and conditioner. And the other side of my hair is braided. Let's fuck it up. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and make sure you also turn on the bell notifications button. That way you get a notification every time I drop a new video. Don't be left out in 2020. Come and vibe with me. First, I'm starting out with some hair conditioner, and I'm just rubbing that in my hair. Next is black rice water. And I'm just putting that a little bit of everywhere. My hair is really thick, so I really have to work that in there, as you can see. Now I'm adding more conditioner because it takes a lot of conditioner. Now I'm moving to a middle part and thoroughly combing my hair with a wide tooth comb from bottom to top, which is best for detangling, by the way, ladies and gentlemen. Now Gorilla Snot Gel Rockero, and that's the rock kind, and I love this on my hair. And I am also adding water and using a triangular tooth comb and a wooden brush. Moving on to the braiding. So this is like a medium braid, and I am detangling while I'm braiding because my curls are so freaking tangly. I know I look angry when I do my hair. It's because I am. Braiding the ends and combing and brushing out the ends of my hair as I go along. Moving on to rubber banding. I would say about 7 wraps. Now the wide part for the biggest braid, and it's gonna take some pliers. Okay, now that I got that parted, we're going to look at the part. It's kind of uneven, but we're going to act like it's not uneven. More combing, more Gorilla Snot Gel Rockero, more brush, more gel, more brush, more water. How long must this go on? Now it is time. The big braid, and you just want to pull and detangle as you braid, and detangle as you braid, detangle as you braid. Yes, this is about the part that I probably was being angry. You can't see it in my eyes, but I want to cry. I'm just good at hiding my emotions. I'm emotionless, but it hurts. So this is a nice back angle for everyone. How I grip them braids with my little fingers. My little bony fingers come in handy. I had to turn around like, is this shit really this tangled? Okay, wide tooth comb, more struggling. More brush. Steady brushing and detangling as I go to make sure my hair is super, super fine. Rubber band time. Now, the tiny braid. More detangling. It's one thing about curly hair. Brushing, more braiding. Rubber band time. Alright, now I'm going to twist the ends of my baby hair. And we have the braided side finished. Now for the finger curls method. So what I'm doing, I bet everyone's wondering, I am finger curling my hair into thick curls. For each section, about, I want to say 5 to 7. And I'm doing it in rows. And they are really tight. And I'm combing them out really well before doing this. So, you can see. The ones at the top I decided to do a little bigger. As you can see, the part is thicker. I wanted those one to be fuller at the top. And this is what it looks like. Time to air dry. Three hours later. Now I'm all air dried up, ladies. Time to take this hairstyle down. Thought I was finished. I wasn't finished yet. Gently separating your curls. And please have some water on standby. Because as you separate them, you need to re-spiral them with your finger. Okay. Doesn't look like much so far. See how you're doubting at this very moment. You're thinking you're about to click off. She wasted your fucking time. You want your money back. But just wait on it. Separate. And finger curl as you separate. Separate. Bouncy. My fingers are really starting to get tired. More separating, more separating, more separating, even more separating. Finally, everything is done, everything is finished. I reached the finish line. Thanks for watching Icon. Be on the watch for my next video, guys. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe button. And remember, even you can be an icon.